Hey guys, my name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that way every time that I upload, you will get a notification. So with that being said, guys, I'm just basically doing an update to my Forsage journey, and I'm just going to go into the back office of my website like I've been doing so that way you guys can see what's going on. So basically, this is my back office, and nothing has really changed, guys. I still have 3 slots in X3, and I still have 3 slots in X4. I haven't gotten any overflow today, and so as you can see, I still got that $6 that I had there yesterday. And so I did want to share a couple of things with you guys that I did do today. So I had a different goal up there the other day, but I just changed it because I wanted to put something that I actually really cared about in there. So this is my goal. I'm just going to read to you guys what I put in there and the reason why I put it in there. So my goal is to open a free daycare center for single parents because I am a single parent and I know the struggle of having to pay for a daycare on your own, especially having multiple children. It is so expensive, and that's why I'm doing Forsage. So I decided to put my goal of having a daycare up here because this is something that means a lot to me, and I could just relate to it so much because I am a single mom, I have 3 kids, and daycare is so very expensive, guys. And I just feel as though, what about the people that can't afford daycare, but they actually want to do something with themselves as far as, maybe having that extra quiet time at home to work on their business, or, maybe just wanting to work a job, but they can't work a job because they can't afford daycare. Because let's be honest, daycare is expensive. It's very expensive. And I feel like it would be such a big help if I can get the money together with Forsage and open up one of these daycare centers where it actually be free of charge for single parents, or even just people that are low income and can't afford it. So that's my goal, guys. That's what I want to do. And that's what I have in my Forsage account, so that way I can look at it every day. And once I do start earning money, Forsage will actually show me like the percentage I am to get closer and closer to my goal. I actually put in there how much it will actually cost for me to get that started. So there's also another thing that I wanted to mention to you guys while we're actually in my back office. So your ID number is actually the number person that you were when you walked in the door. So when I came to Forsage, I was numbered 360,349. So that was my number. That's the number of a participant that I was at the time. And now when you look over here, when it says all participants as of today, it is 464,848. So that means that Forsage had gained over 100,000 participants, over 100,000 participants in less than a week, because it hasn't even been a week. This is my day 5. This is my day 5. And it's 5 days for over 100,000. So we'll be at 1 million soon, guys. It's growing. It's really growing. And a lot of people are seeing the opportunity within this. So with that being said, guys, I just wanted to bring out those couple of things to you guys. This is just a update for my journey, and like I told you guys previously, I'm recording this journey for myself so that way I can look back and I can actually see, reflect on my process that I went to. So with that being said, guys, I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.